Hello everybody, my name is GameChaser509 and today I will be showing you how to build this Lego gumball machine. So how it works is you have all the gumballs in this main container area, and then what you do is you take this 1x6 right here, or 2x6, and you put it in this hole, and whenever you pull it out, a bunch of gumballs are going to come flying out of here. Let's get started on the tutorial. So these angled pieces, these are supposed to help guide the gumballs into this main hole. And that would be the end of the tutorial. It's a pretty short video, but I did want to get something up for the daily upload, and I might post another video today.